For those that are wondering if they would still qualify if they rent their home, if they rent an apartment, if they rent a condo, would they still qualify, or does that even matter?
First thing is the rent of your home is no different than making, if you make a payment on your home, you're going to get a percentage of your mortgage, interest, and you're not going to get the principal part of your payment. You're going to get depreciation in that place. So what would happen is if I own my home, I got a deduction for the percentage for interest and for depreciation. But if I'm renting my home, I'm going to get a percentage of my rent.
Okay.
Instead of interest and depreciation.
So if you qualify, like if 10% of your home qualifies for the home office deduction and you pay $500 for your rent, then $50, $1,000 for your rent, then $100 a month you can write off of your tax return.
Yes. Yeah. So you do get it. Yeah. So I can have an office and home even if I rent.
Right. When it comes to calculating your home office, is there a simple way of doing it? If your rooms are all the same size, could you just divide the total number of rooms by that one room and write it down that way? Could it be that simple?
First thing, and I'll kind of summarize the question. So if I missed it, please correct me. If I have some rooms and all the rooms are kind of approximately the same size, and I have 6 rooms in the house, can I take 1/6? No.
Okay.
But the other thing is you hit on, is there a simple method?
Right.
And the answer is yes. The simple method, and I believe it's $5 a square foot. So what I can do is I can take a simplified office and home deduction. And in doing so, I still have to measure the whole house, and I still have to measure the exclusive use area. But the exclusive use area, instead of keeping track of all this stuff, utilities, the repairs, and all that stuff, I can go over and I can just take, I believe, $5 a square.
How much of my home could I actually qualify? So we already know 1 bedroom qualifies. What if I take up 2 bedrooms? What if I have a duplex and one whole level of my house is used for my business, exclusive and regularly used for my business? Would that still count? Is there a limit?
First thing is there's no limit, but we got to go back to what we've kind of had a theme or a flavoring through this whole presentation. What's reasonable? So, for example, I got a friend that's a preparer in Pennsylvania, and half her building is downstairs is her office, and upstairs is her home. In our hometown, I know of a couple of places where that upstairs is their home and downstairs is their office.
Right.
So
that makes sense.
So again, it's driven by the size of the business, and I think it's just use some common sense and run it like a business.